Hey everybody, it's your girl, Living Vital. And oh my god guys, do you smell that? It's the sweat smell on of strawberries. क्या ये आपका favorite fruit है? Honestly, even if it isn't, it totally should be. They are like nature's candy, but like the good kind that your mom approves of. आज हम स्ट्रॉबेरी के बारे में सब कुछ जानेंगे, हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स, टेस्टी रेसिपीज और कुछ फन फैक्ट्स जो आपने कभी नहीं सुने. So buckle up, buttercup, because things are about to get very exciting. Get it? Very exciting. Okay, I will stop. Alright, folks, let's get real for a hot second. Yeah, strawberries are delicious, but did you know they are also, like, really good for you? It's true. These little red gems are packed with vitamin C, more vitamin C than an orange, which is like mind-blowing. And you know what that means. Superhero immunity. That's right, strawberries are here to help you fight off those pesky colds and keep you feeling your best. They are like the tiny bodyguards on of the fruit world. But wait, there is more. Strawberries are also bursting with antioxidants, which are like these little ninjas that fight on of bad stuff in your body. And don't even get me started on the low calories. You can snack on these babies guilt-free, my friends. So basically, strawberries are like the Beyoncé on of a fruit world, talented, beautiful, and good for you. Mic drop. Okay, now that we know how amazing strawberries are for us, let's talk about how to make them taste even more amazing. First up, we've got the classic 5-minute strawberry smoothie. It's so easy, even I can make it. Just throw some strawberries, yogurt, and a splash on of milk into a blender, and bam! You have got yourself a delicious and healthy breakfast owner snack. But if you are feeling a little fancy, we are gonna step it up a notch with a strawberry tart. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. We are gonna use pre-made puff pastry because, well, and nobody got time for that from scratch life. Slice up some strawberries, arrange them all pretty on the pastry, pop it in the oven and boom. You will be the star baker on your friend group, trust me. Get ready to have your minds blown, people, because it's time for some strawberry trivia. Did you know that strawberries aren't actually berries? I know, right? Mind blown. They are technically accessory fruits, which sounds super fancy but basically means the fleshy part develops from the stem, not the flower. Science. And hold on to your hats. Because here is another one. A single strawberry can have over 200 curds. That's more curds than I have brain cells after a long day on filming. But hey, at least they are delicious curds, right? Chapter 4, Grow Your Own Strawberryliciousness. Gardening tips and tricks. Alright, green thumbs in the house, this one's for you. Growing your own strawberries is easier than you think, and it's so satisfying to pluck those juicy berries straight from your garden. First things first, you gotta choose the right strawberries. There are tons of varieties out there, so do your research and find the ones that will thrive in your climate. Next up, prep that soil like it's the runway for a strawberry fashion show. Make sure it's well drained and rich in nutrients because these divas like to be pampered. And of course, don't forget to water those babies regularly. Consistency is key, my friends. But hey, with a little love and attention, you will have your own strawberry patch in no time. Alright guys, things are about to get real interesting. It's time for a blindfolded strawberry test. We've got local strawberries, imported strawberries, organic strawberries. Basically, if it's a strawberry, we are gonna try it. And the best part, you guys get to play along at home. Okay, first strawberry. This one's super sweet and juicy. Could it be the local variety? Owner maybe the imported ones are sneakily delicious. Oh my god, this is tough. You guys have to try this at home and let me know which ones you think are the best. Get your creative juices flowing, folks, because it's DIY time. And what better inspiration than our favorite red fruit? First up, we are gonna make some adorable strawberry-shaped candles. They are super easy to make and will add a touch on fruity sweetness to your home. Just melt some wax, add some red dye and strawberry scent, because pour it into cute little molds, and voila. But wait, there is more. We are also gonna whip up some homemade strawberry jam. It's so much better than the store-bought stuff, I promise. And for all you art lovers out there, we are gonna create some strawberry-inspired masterpieces. Think paintings, drawings, maybe even some fruit-stamped artwork. The possibilities are endless. Y'all ready for an adventure? Because we are heading to a real-life strawberry farm. We are gonna meet farmers, learn all about how strawberries are grown, and of course, pick our own. It's like a scavenger hunt, but for deliciousness. Look at all these beautiful strawberries. I am in fruit heaven. Pro tip, look for strawberries that are bright red and plump. And don't be afraid to give them a little sniff test. The sweetest ones will have the strongest aroma. तो दोस्तों ये थी हमारी स्ट्रॉबेरी की कहानी. From their awesome health benefits to their endless recipe possibilities, strawberries are truly the goat of the fruit world. And let's not forget the fun facts, DIY projects, and farm fresh adventures. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट में अपना फेवरेट स्ट्रॉबेरी रेसिपी जरूर बताएं. And don't forget to subscribe to Living Vital for more fun, informative, and slightly chaotic videos. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep on snacking on those strawberries. Peace out.